Internet, what's up? This is Rod from TechGuysSmartBuy.com, and today, just a quick video with the newest update. I'm going to show you how you can unlock your iPhone if you have Apple Watch while wearing a face mask. Let's get into it. Apple finally made it a more easier way to unlock your phone without typing your passcode while wearing a mask. So you don't have to like pull your mask down and do all that stuff. Well, first you have to make sure you're running the latest. So that's iOS 14.5 and watchOS 7.4. So if you got those two, you're good to go. Currently out for the public beta. So if you're not part of that, you can sign up. You'll have a link to that below, but it'll be out for the regular public very soon. In order for this to work, you're gonna need an Apple Watch. So if you don't have an Apple Watch, then you're still gonna have to either key in your passcode or dip your mask down a bit to unlock your iPhone. So what you wanna do is dive into settings, go down to Face ID and passcode, of course, enter in your passcode, scroll down, and there should be an option that says unlock with Apple Watch. Make sure you toggle that, and then go to Watch app. You're gonna ask for a passcode. So you gotta go to watch, so you gotta go create a passcode, turn passcode on. Once you create the passcode on your Apple Watch, what it does is that every time you're trying to unlock it, it'll just sync and you can just swipe up and unlock. It won't require you to put in your passcode every single time to be like double redundant. That defeats the purpose. So if you see that passcode option, don't get turned off. Just keep going and you'll be good to go. You just have to be careful that if you're not, you're in a rush, you're doing something, you'll see an option on your watch. You might hit it. That means to lock your iPhone. No, you don't want to do that. You'll just see a prompt saying unlock iPhone, and then you can just swipe up your iPhone and be good to go. So there you have it. Just a quick tip. Be on the lookout. It's already out of developer beta. It's currently in public beta, so it should be making its way to the general public in the very near future. So, pandemic's still out there. For those of you still out and about, this will definitely help you out a lot. So let me know if you like this one, if you want to see more tips and tricks from us. Sound off in the comments below. I know I'm a little behind. I'm about to catch up real soon. And thanks for watching. Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Peace.